What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm on break at work right now and I figured I would start editing this next video. Will the car start or will it have another problem? About to find out right now. Before that, I've got to toss on the new intake. If you didn't see my last video going over the Trailblazer intake, make sure you check that out. I'll put the link somewhere around here. Check that out if you're into it. One day I'll get a nice intake, but for now, that's what I'm working with. And they make power, so can't really go wrong. But yeah, we're gonna throw the intake on and go from there. But first, you got like a magnet stick? Yeah, the socket. Yeah.
Spot we got thing on?
Yeah, let me give you the pages.
crazy how they do that.
There it is. It started. Such a nerve-wracking procedure, but so rewarding in the end. Makes it all worth it. And it really gives you the last push and motivation to finish up the final touches. A few more weekends of work and it should be out driving on the street, hopefully. The weather here in Maryland's still pretty decent. No snow yet, clear and sunny. So I mean, we might have some videos of it driving around. That'd be pretty cool. Really, none of this would be possible if it wasn't for my dad and Kyle. If it wasn't for them, I probably wouldn't even be nowhere near as close as I am now. So that really helped me out a lot. And both of them will probably continue to help me out over the winter or maybe sometime next year. Definitely want to get some more things welded. Maybe a tubed front end if I'm up for it. Definitely some lower control arm brackets. And maybe redo the hot side a little bit. Add a wastegate. Who knows? But we'll see though. But I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. We'll start getting some more action and better content. Not these boring videos. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.